Repair near me. So, what we're talking about today is steering. You'd think it's pretty straightforward and simple, right? When you're talking about routine maintenance, you're talking about oil changes, brakes when they wear out, tire rotations. Um, you know, but when we're talking about maintenance, we should definitely be talking about steering. Doesn't matter if you can go, and it doesn't matter if you can stop if you can't turn. It's an amazing, everybody's like, well, the most critical system is this, the most critical system is that. I say it myself. But they all kind of have to work in harmony and conjunction with each other, or we don't get where we're going. And that's the beautiful part about a car, right? Or a truck, pickup, whatever you're driving. Without brakes, we're not having any fun. Without the power of the engine, the motor moving us forward, we're not having any fun. So your steering system isn't just about comfort, it's about safety. It's what allows you to keep your car under control, avoid sudden obstacles, and navigate safely at all speeds. If your steering wheel feels stiff, vibrates, pulls to one side, or makes strange noises when turning, those aren't just minor annoyances. They're early warning signs that your steering needs attention. So if you're searching for steering repair near me, you already understand how important the system is. So let's dive in. So how does the steering system work? Your steering system connects the driver's input at the steering wheel to the tires on the road and allows for precise controlled handling in every driving condition. You have rack and pinion kinds of steering. It's found in most modern cars. This system uses gears to translate rotational motion into linear tire direction. And then you got the recirculating ball steering. Common in older vehicles and trucks, this design uses ball bearings to handle heavier loads and reduce friction. And then you've got the power steering systems. You got the hydraulic power steering system, which uses pressurized fluid to reduce driver effort. And you've got electrical power steering, which relies on an electrical motor and sensors, offering efficiency and precise control. Signs that you need steering repair is stiff or hard to turn steering wheel, steering wheel vibrations, vehicle pulling to one side, strange noises when turning, leaking steering fluid, and or a loose or wandering steering wheel. Whenever you're talking about, getting your steering repaired on any level, you're talking about, getting your power steering fluid flushed and a leak repair, rack and pinion replacement, power steering pump repair, plate replacement, tie rod ends and ball joint replacement, steering wheel column repair, wheel alignment service. And if we don't actually jump on it when we're supposed to, then it's not really a good thing because the loss of vehicle control is not a good thing. I mean, even minor issues can escalate into major hazards at highway speeds, right? The faster we go, the faster things happen. Premature tire wear, because your car's not aligned properly, suspension damage, steering problems, stress-related systems like shocks and struts, high repair costs. A small fluid leak today can become a full rack replacement tomorrow. Increased accident risk. Steering failure is one of the most dangerous breakdowns possible. It's like lack of brakes. If we can't stop and we can't make our car go where we want it to go. I mean, these are all critical systems, right? And with all of the different, think about the roads around you. Think about all of the potholes and stuff. How many turns do you make in just a normal drive? We don't even think about it anymore. We turn the steering wheel and our car goes that way. But seriously, how many turns do you think you make on a normal, regular? You're going out and running some errands today. How many times did you turn your steering wheel? How many times did you turn your steering wheel all the way one way or the other to get in and out of places? Um, and what speeds were you doing while you were doing it. It's a pretty huge um, system when you start thinking about it, and a lot more goes into it than what you might think. So, how often should your steering system be replaced? I mean, not replaced, but inspected. Um, so I think I like to bring mine in. I drive about 15,000 miles a year, which is average. So it's every 4 months or 5,000 miles. So I like to come in into the automotive repair shop at least 3 times a year, about every 4 months. And I want them to do a complete inspection on everything every time I go in, not just the steering. It allows me to keep up with everything a whole lot easier, a whole lot faster. I know it's going to cost, like $3,000 a year to maintain and repair my car. Some years it's 1,500, some years it's 4,500, but it's about $3,000 a year to maintain and repair the car done properly. And if you're not spending that much, then you're not maintaining your car properly. So I would just say budget for it, and don't ever hope that there's nothing wrong with your car. Go in expecting to spend money. But your steering system is your direct connection to the road. If you notice stiffness, pulling, leaks, or noises when turning, don't wait. Addressing these issues early saves money, protects your tires and suspension, and most importantly, keeps you safe. So when you search steering repair near me, you're not just looking for convenience, you're looking for peace of mind. Trusting trained professionals for steering service ensures your vehicle remains reliable, responsive, and roadworthy. You need to find that shop that you can trust. You need to have some fun with that shop. You need to trust the shop. As the shop is trusting you to use them and build a relationship with you, you need to trust the shop and do the exact same thing. Stay safe, stay strong.